Hi, what's your name?
Hi sir, my name is Priyanka D'Souza.
Priyanka. Brilliant name. What does it mean?
Actually it's unique. There's no meaning to it. You will not find this anywhere.
Super. So you are going to give a meaning to this name, right?
Yes, be different.
Yeah.
You will not
Super. So Priyanka, tell us something about yourself and your family or anything you want to share about yourself.
Sure. So yep, as you know my name, I'm currently a graduate and I live with a family of 5. So my family is different. I live with parents that cannot talk in here. They are physically handicapped, so I communicate with them in sign language. And I have an elder brother and I have a twin sister, two identical twins. And yep, so I'm currently on a journey of learning to be a hairdresser, and I one day want to be recognized as one of the best hairdressers, and because that's like my passion. Ever since I finished my 10th grade when I got my first hair color, that's what inspired me to become a hairdresser. And since then, I am always dedicated. I thought I'd finish my studies and then get into a course and go towards that path. And that's what I'm doing currently.
I didn't know that, and it's kind of revealing and shocking to me, surprising also. Yeah, how does it feel like to have parents who cannot speak and listen?
It is different. Like I feel very different in front of my friends because, like they have their parents calling them and asking them, where are you? But I do not have my parents calling me and asking me where am I. So it was really tough bringing my parents. Like when we were small, that time we used to not understand a single thing because they didn't know how to communicate to us, and we did not know how to do the sign language. Slow and steadily, when we started growing, we learned how to do those actions and all that, and now it's very easy to communicate with them. We can tell them anything and everything. One thing is that when I'm talking to my parents, nobody around knows what we are talking.
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
And the guys, the people who are out there and who get irritated by their parents calling them up and asking how they are, where they are, listen to Priyanka. It is their concern and love, and connect to this young girl who feels something when other kids' parents are calling them and asking them where they are and what they are doing, and she misses it. So it is important to count our blessings in our life and understand how concerned our parents are for our own self. And all of us, including me, we kind of take things for granted and get irritated very easily. Brilliant car. So buy a couples academy then.
Yeah, so I was going through a lot of online, classes, seeing which is the best and all. And a lot of times couples kept coming. So I wondered what it was. Then I clicked on it. I really liked the syllabus. And also one thing, it's budget friendly. So I contacted Gauri Miss and I told like I'm going to come down to the academy and see how it is. The very next day I came here and I met Sachin sir. He won my heart on the first day itself. The way he explained to me not only about the academy but beyond that, out of the salon what is happening with all the management and also I really like that he's not only sharing a small part of the idea but he's going out of the box. So that really won my heart and that's why I told him that I'll pay the fees the very next day and get myself enrolled.
Super, Priyanka. So, how you want to take it further now? How you want to live your life, and what do you want to do with your life?
Yes, sir. So now I want to be a certified hair stylist. That's going to be within 1 month's time. After that, I want to work and gain experience, at least floor experience, and then I want to travel abroad. I want to do my work there international. I want to be recognized as one of the best hairdressers in India as well as international as well. And there's one thing that I would want to do, like owning a salon, that is obviously there, but apart from that, I would also want to make one of my own brand. I would want to come up with some product that has my name in it and something that people will be using. And yeah, that's one of my wish that I would want to make a brand.
Are you going to make a product, which promotes hair growth, which can, bring lost hair back?
Well, I can try that, but I think I'm more into the creative part where I would want to come up with colors. Because since this industry is so amazing, it's about creativity and I like being creative. So then it's definitely that I would want to come up with colors. Maybe I will give a think about hair growth, but yeah, towards
So
color.
so I hope you will create a product for hair growth or something like that.
Definitely, sir. I would love to give it a try.
Okay. And understand this thing, if people are not having hair, where would you color? Are you going to do a tattoo or a skin color or what you are going to do? So you need to have a canvas first, right? To do something.
Correct, yes.
So whose job is this to?
Well, I need to do some research. See, basically my goal is to get a product but now I need to, maybe study a little more and see how it works. What's the best product that I can do? And not only one, maybe few, like if you're saying hair growth, maybe hair color or, few products like that.
Right. Do
Where it is
that.
justice to both hair and not hair also. Like who does not have hair? उन लोग के लिए
क्या करने वाले?
तो वही ना मैं रिसर्च करके देखती हूँ जो अच्छा है मतलब if I can try to get some product that can get hair on their head.
Okay, good. So may existence provide you all the energy which is needed to create a product like that.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, so what does it mean to be world's best hairstylist according to you?
According to me, it's hard work and dedication. Only that will take you there. So if I am determined in my work and I love what I do, if it's in my passion, then I will reach there for sure, surely one day. And people will talk about you. You will have that fame where she was and where she's gone. It's be recognized as the best hairdresser is like a proud feeling. And my parents, although they cannot talk in here, but they can see. They'll be able to see me one day. I want, if I'm on a magazine or on TV, it's that proud feeling for them that she's done what she wanted to do, and that's what will fulfill their dreams.
Which country would you like to work in?
So I was targeting Canada. I want to move there. I want to maybe settle there, but yeah. So depending, although that is the most toughest country to get into, settle. So that's my aim. The harder the life, the better the achievement.
Why Canada?
I have my cousins also staying there, and I've heard a lot. The hair industry in Canada is really amazing. So that's why, and when you have somebody over there, like your family, it's more easier to be there, right? So yeah, and even the weather over there is amazing. You get.
But a lot many days you don't get sun. That's quite depressing.
Not really depressing. I mean, we have to be happy with whatever God has given us the weather.
Why not India? God has given you India.
Yeah, I know. But India, I mean, we have too much of sun in India. So maybe for a change, we can go, try. I mean, let's see. Maybe different countries also. But Canada was in my top list.
Yeah. So I was provided an opportunity to get settled in UK, and I didn't choose it. So I wanted the base to be in India, specifically in Mumbai, and so why not India?
So definitely say if I'm getting great opportunity, then I will stay here itself.
So you consider you will not get any great opportunity here, but you can make great opportunity here. Yeah.
Correct, yes.
India is evolving, a lot of population, 65% of it is very young population who are going to use all your services. So in a way, very happening country,
Correct.
very youthful country.
I agree.
And hair selling is still a lot of scope to grow, not many cities. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, I can definitely give it a try now that you said.
But given a choice between Canada and India,
That is tough for me.
no, that is actually very easy for you, but since I'm asking and I mentioned about my choice, it is getting tougher for you.
Yeah.
What's your honest choice?
Maybe Canada.
Why?
I don't know, sir. I mean, the thing is that I've not been international, like I've not been abroad, and it's always my dream to get there, and maybe that's the thing that is inside that.
So go there and come back. And I'm not against
Correct.
going there, settling there. I'm just asking. I want to know. So there is no any personal opinion or judgment. I just want to know. You may have your own reasons, but you need to know your reasons.
Correct, yeah. Maybe because I know people, their lifestyle is completely different.
What do you know about their lifestyle? Who are the people? It's the different nationalities.
Yeah, definitely.
Very few,
Correct.
very few. I mean, there is no, almost no native person over there. It's all people who migrated from different part of the world.
I think I need to have to give that a thought.
Okay. Super. So, if not a hairstylist, then who would you be as a professional?
I've never thought of a second profession, sir.
Mhm.
I don't know. It's in my. The thing is that my dad was a beautician, and
Ah.
he also used to, cut hair and all that. So maybe I have his
And
gene
then
in me.
how he used to consult and interact and
So he, like when he used to come to the reception, he used to tell.
where he used to work? He used to work in?
No, right now he's retired. He used to work in Orchid.
Uh-huh.
So the receptionist used to tell the clients that he cannot talk in here, and if there's any difficulty, you can coordinate with us. He used to do his work like so. The receptionist used to tell him whatever has to be done, whatever haircut, whatever massage, pedicure, and he used to do his work. Sir.
So people listen. A very graceful, empowered father who could not speak and listen raised 4 kids. 3 kids, 3 you know of, 3 kids gracefully by choosing this profession. So this profession brings lot many things which are not shared with society. Super, Priyanka. And is there anything which you want to ask me, share with me?
That's it.
Okay, it was lovely talking to you, Priyanka, and
Thank you.
we may have this session once again once you move towards your graduation and then see how Priyanka has evolved and what are the changes and progress. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for being
sir.
here.
It was good talking to you.
Same here.